Hi, I'm Jack from legalexpert.co.uk and today I'm going to be talking about electrical burns injury treatment. Now, it's important that you should know that you may be entitled to free private medical treatment for an electrical burn from specialists local to your area. Also, if needed, you could receive guidance and advice from one of our panel of private specialists who might suggest a special treatment option to allow your injuries to heal quicker. Electrical burns may differ, as no two injuries are the same. Speaking to a private specialist without having to worry about any hefty medical fees could make all the difference in terms of your recovery. If you've had an accident that was not your fault, you could qualify for free electrical burns injury treatment from a specialist in your local area. Contact us to find out if you're eligible for free private treatment from a burn injury specialist. That may also include any special types of treatment if needed by calling our free phone helpline on 0800 652 7676. We're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and we offer a no-win, no-fee service. We're also going to be going over some of the steps that we recommend you take, as well as looking at information provided by the NHS in regards to dealing with an injury involving electrical burns. If you have any questions or requests, to let us know in the comments, and if you like this video, please do hit that thumbs up button, as this will help us see what type of content people find helpful. If you or someone you know has sustained a burn following an electrical accident that wasn't yours or their fault, but was down to the negligence of others, you should bear in mind that you or they may be entitled to compensation. In order to bring a claim for compensation, we recommend that you speak to a personal injury claims specialist that has experience in dealing with burn injury claims. The good news for you is that legalexpert.co.uk offers a completely free, zero obligation consultation where we'll talk through your injury in order to help you establish what your options are. You can speak to us by calling our free phone helpline on 0800 652 7676 or by visiting our around-the-clock live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. We're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, so you can speak to us whenever you'd like. NHS.uk advises that whilst electrical burns may not look serious, they can be very damaging. Someone who has an electrical burn should seek immediate medical attention at an A&E department. If the person is being injured by a low voltage source up to 220 to 240 volts, such as a domestic electrical supply, safely switch off the power supply or remove the person from the electrical source using a material that doesn't conduct electricity, such as a wooden stick or a wooden chair. Do not approach a person who's connected to a high voltage source, 1000 volts or more. It's always advisable that the victim visits hospital, and in some cases it may be necessary to call 999 and request an ambulance. The call operator will talk you through the situation and advise on whether or not they believe you need to take any further action. Even if you feel fine, the NHS recommends that you go to hospital and visit an accident and emergency department if you've suffered large or deep burns bigger than the affected person's hands, burns of any size that cause white or charred skin, burns on the face, hands, arm, feet, legs or genitals that cause blisters. They also recommend that you get medical help straight away if the person with the burn has other injuries that need treating, is going into shock. Signs include cold, clammy skin, sweating, rapid, shallow breathing, and weakness or dizziness, is pregnant, is over the age of 60, is under the age of 5, has a medical condition such as heart, lung or liver disease or diabetes, has a weakened immune system, the body's defense system, for example, because of HIV or AIDS, or because they're having chemotherapy for cancer. So if you've been involved in an electrical accident which resulted in burns and you believe that you're entitled to compensation, we will be more than happy to hear from you. You should bear in mind that if you're successful in your claim for compensation, the cost of any private treatment should be covered, as well as any loss of income from time off work which may be claimed back for when bringing a claim for compensation. If we take your case on, we will be more than happy to put you in touch with a medical specialist in order to further aid your recovery and aim to find you one in your area so that you're not having to go out of your way should you require any further treatment, such as a dermatologist, to help your recovery. Now, they'll be able to go over burn guidelines and do burn assessments and explain time-critical factors that affect management of burns. Of course, the circumstances of each incident are never the same, and whether or not you believe you have a valid claim It's always advisable that you speak to an expert on the matter. So if you'd like further assistance, we are personal injury claims specialists. We offer free, friendly advice on no-win, no-fee compensation claims, so there's not a penny to pay if you lose. Get the maximum compensation that you deserve. We're rated 4.8 out of 5 stars, and we have specialist solicitors with up to 30 years experience. It'll only take just a couple of minutes for our team, who'll be happy to answer any questions you may have to help establish whether or not you have a valid claim. Call now on 0800 652 7676 or visit our live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. Don't forget to subscribe, as we'll be uploading helpful videos just like this one on a regular basis. You can also check out one of our recommended videos or head over to legalexpert.co.uk, where you can read community questions on our forum, get free advice from our live chat, read articles and seek assistance for compensation on a no-win, no-fee basis with your personal injury claim.